Hi, I'm Azam. I work as the head of product and business development at Libart. So I manage the Libart India business. Four Seasons project. I've been working on this project since it was commissioned. I'm talking about back in 23. So I know the project inside out, technically, you could say. And when it comes to support and maintenance since the commissioning of the project, I have been handling that in direct touch with the client and with supporting Yantra as well for this project. So yeah, this is one of our most prestigious projects in India. If you could see the location, it's a very prime location in Worli, 35th floor, top. It's at the top of the hotel. It's a prestigious bar covered with a retractable roof system, and it has been a pinnacle of getting for us getting new projects here in India, all around India. So yeah, when it comes to maintenance, since the project has been commissioned, we've been providing that to the client as and when required. So that's all I have to say about we did actually. It was mainly when it came to rainfall, monsoon, unpredictable weather in Mumbai, heavy winds and heavy rainfall. That was something we had a problem with at the start, but we faced it, we resolved it, and now it's not a problem. This place is operational 24/7, even on Sundays. The system is operated every day. On an average, it's operated, I think, 3 to 4 times a day. So no complaints from the clients, and since 23, it's still in operation, no issues. Yeah. It was top notch. They have been our dealer since quite some time. They are one of our most prominent dealers in Mumbai, and this was our first large project, you could say, a retractable structure project, and it was executed through Yantra.